I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down where frames will go and how they'll be encoded. First, set your project route and sequence, then define the exact frame range and frame rate. Next, make sure your color pipeline is correct, linearize inputs, and pick the bit depth you need. Once done, add a write node, point it to a clear path, choose EXR or another format, and enable padding or frame numbering. That lets the render proceed without file clashes or color surprises. You now optimize render performance while preserving fidelity. Start by tuning tile size, thread count, and memory limits to match your workstation or farm. These settings control throughput. Then configure output options. Enable multi-layer EXR or AOVs for beauty, specular, and depth. Pick compression and half or float precision. Make sure any reformat, crop, motion blur, or time-based ops happen upstream of the write node. You're ready to render. Don't hit full sequence yet. First, render a 5 to 10 frame clip and review it in the Nuke viewer and an external player to confirm color, alpha, and timing. Once verified, launch the full render and watch job logs for missing frames or I/O errors. If something goes wrong, corrupted frames or failures, retry the affected range, temporarily disable compression, and confirm disk space and write permissions. That single troubleshooting step fixes most pipeline hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.